Story time. Chapter 2. The Power of Unity. The Magic Classroom. The next time the students entered, the magic classroom was more difficult. In front of the children was an invisible bridge. A glowing sign read, "Only those with respect, ambition, and courage can cross." Sara thought for a moment. Zain added, "Ambition means we believe in our success." Omar took a deep breath. "Courage means we try even when we are scared." They stepped onto the invisible bridge, holding hands and encouraging one another. Every kind word they spoke and every brave step they took made the bridge appear slowly beneath their feet. When Omar hesitated, his friends cheered him on, reminding him he wasn't alone.